back to my channel, and today I'll be switching up things a little bit. No food cooking today. I'll be showing you guys how I make my organic garlic powder and onion powder, and I'm sharing this information with you guys because I love you guys. So come on over here and take a look. Right here I have 5 heads of garlic and I have 8 medium-sized onions. So I just chop the onions in some medium size, and I have a small food processor over here. I'm going to put it in it to not get it all crushed, but kind of like fine mince. So I'm going to first add my garlic. Garlic on the loose. Guys, when you do this, you're sure of what is going in your body. You know that no preservative, no unwanted stuff is going into your body. So we're just gonna and this is the result that we want. These are the size of garlics that we want. So I'm just going to get a dish to put this in. Let me just give this a quick wash. And we are going to repeat the same process for the onion. Just going to add our onions a bit at a time. See, before that the garlic, they kept falling out. This one is still big. Normally you can slice the onions like this and put them outside to dry, or just cut them in half. But when you do this, it takes a longer time to dry. And I don't have all day. This onion got me crying. Ooh. You guys, you don't want to see me cry on camera. So guys, I've gone ahead and I placed my garlic and my onion on my dehydrator tray, and I'm going to be putting them in the dehydrator. So I'll show you guys the result of these. So one last view. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel, and I'll be showing you part 2 or midway through my garlic and onion powder process, naturally organic. So I placed my onion and my garlic, chopped of course, minced, in the dehydrator overnight for about 10 hours. So let me show you guys what it's looking like. So this is my garlic. So my garlic is just on one tray, and this is my onion, and I have 2 of these. See how dry these are? Use your finger and it's like can't even go through it, you can't break it. It's very crisp, very crunchy, and that's exactly the result that we wanted. And I'm so happy about this. So let me just show you guys how I'm going to do my onion. So I'm just basically just taking it off the tray and just putting it in my container here. Let me just get something to assist me. container here, so I'm just basically just going to roll the garlic in it so I can take it off easily. So I'm just folding. Ensure that you get all of your garlic out. No man left behind. None shall be wasted. And I'm not going to speed up the video. I'm just going to let you see this process through to just show you how I get that natural garlic, and it tastes so good on your meat or whatever you want to do with it. If you want to make some tea and you want to use the powder for your tea, that is fine. Just take this garlic off here. My countertop is clean, so I'm just going to put it back in this dish. And if you're still here with me, guys, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button up top, and do remember to like my video, share my video, and ensure that you watch the entire video. Okay, so much easier. So I'm just throwing this in my container. What I actually should have done was pour it in this container I have over here instead, which will make it go in it a lot easier instead of falling out. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. It is much easier. There we go. So my grinder, this is my grinder, and my grinder comes with 2 blades. So this one, I won't be using this one with the 4 blades. This one is for like smoothie and stuff. I will be using this flat one, which has just, do I consider this 2 blade? 1 blade? I'll be using this one for grinding, dry grinding. So I'll go ahead and I screw it on, and I put it in my grinder. On this, guys. Oh God, guys, that smell is to die for. So guys, this is the result that you want. I hope you guys can see. Powder. I'm so excited about this. Just give it a quick tap so this falls to the bottom. Guys, I swear this is the best onion powder I've made. The one I made before wasn't smooth. It had lumps in it, so it wasn't as good as this one. This one is perfect. Perfect. Just going to go ahead and just put it over here. Powder is always not as smooth as the garlic powder or the ginger powder. But talking about ginger powder, I'll be showing you guys how to do the ginger powder next time, as well as turmeric and probably beetroot.
you know, to put in your shake, beetroot to put in your shake or whatever you want to do with it. Mix a drink, something, but I just think that when you have the powder, it just like you go a lot faster, just make life a lot easier. And who don't like easy living, right? I mean, there's a time for us and there's a time to relax and get things done more effectively and efficiently, right? So guys, this is perfect. I'm telling you, I'm not exaggerating. This is the best onion powder I've made. Thanks to you guys. It's because of you guys, you know. This time I love you, I love you. I love you. Yes, I'm crazy, I know. I'm local. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my measuring cup so I can pour in my jar easily. I'm not trying to waste any of this goodness. So guys, now that we're finished making our powder, I'm just going to put away my trays. Oh my god, I have so much garlic on this thing. I didn't even see it. I wouldn't let my garlic loose, you know. So I have my containers already, and these are my spice jar that I ordered from Amazon, and I'm going to be pouring my garlic in this jar. I already have some garlic in here, doesn't matter. I mix them. Doesn't matter, go ahead and mix it. Nothing is wrong with that. Just topping up on what I have because I was running low. I really need a funnel. I think I'm just going to go ahead and just use the spoon. Okay, so use the spoon to pour it in. If you have a funnel, that's great. I don't have any. I have a small funnel, but that's too small. That's just like to pour in some liquid stuff that I have. Using the spoon, nothing is wrong with that. And onion powder, once you keep it in a dry place, it's good for, let's say, infinity. I've never had any problems with my garlic powder going bad or my onion powder going bad because there's no preservative in it or nothing like that. It lasts a very long time. It lasts infinity. Although I've never had it for like more than like a batch for say more than like 3 months, because I use garlic and onion powder a lot in my cooking and making my meals. So, and my ginger powder as well, but as I said, the ginger powder is for our next video when I show you how to make the ginger powder, how to make the turmeric powder, and probably the beetroot powder. So, you know, put in your drink. And so for the ginger powder though, what I do with it, I cook with it, and I also, when I make the next batch and make it on video for you guys, I'll be adding sugar in it. So, you know, I'll be grinding it with the sugar. Because sometimes, you know, when you want some ginger tea, you just take that out and just pour it in a cup and just add water to it, because it will have the ginger and already the sugar is added. So you just add water. I mean, I see these teas selling in supermarkets in the little sachet for I don't know how much, but I mean, if you can make your own stuff during this COVID-19 period when a lot of persons are facing hard time and stuff, make what you can, and then those that you can, you go and support your community shops, go and support your supermarket and stuff, but those that you can make for yourself, do something and make it for yourself. The time is hard and everybody, so I'm just showing you some, you know, easy acts and tips and tricks to make your life a lot easier and everything to save money. That's what I'm here for. Showing you love, sharing information with you guys, And thanks for the support, guys. Thanks so much. And for everybody that has subscribed to my channel and like my video and share my video, I thank you. I appreciate it a lot, and I love you guys. Continue to watch my videos, continue to share my videos, like and subscribe, guys, and remember to watch the entire video. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys.